is Nicki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Lend my body, I ain't giving to them ass, I don't lend my body. Gotta be king status to get in my body. Gotta be king status to get in your body. Fuck yeah, cause a queen is what I embody.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, it's Monday, and on Saturday I did a look, and well, Saturday night I did a look, because I hung out with my friends, and the look got a lot of good reception on Instagram, which I was surprised because it was a very simple look. I don't really do simple looks, but this one was real simple. It's literally only 3 colors. There was only 2 here and then 1 here. It's very easy and not complicated at all. So I figured, why not do it on camera and show you how simple it actually was. By the way, if you are new, my name is Nicki. Welcome to my channel. If I look crazy, it's because I'm trying out a new primer. It's a Korean primer. I forgot the brand. I mean, I love my ColourPop primer, but I just tried my makeup and they gave me a little sample of it. So I'm like, I'm gonna try it, let her know if I like it or not. However, there's like a little green tint. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There's like a green tint to this, which I don't know, it's making me feel a little weird. I feel like I look a little crazy right now. But my skin does feel really soft and it's not sticky. But it looks green to me. Like I can see it in the mirror behind the camera. It looks green and it's throwing me off because I keep thinking like there's like something on my face, but it's the primer. And it smelled nice, by the way. It has either argan or the other one. What's the other one? There's another oil. There's some type of oil in there, but it's not oily. But that's why it smells so good. So I'm kind of just like, my face smells nice. Anyway, if I look green, that is why. New primer, new primer. But anyway, let's get into this look. Seeing as how this look is only 3 colors, I am only using 2 palettes, and they're like 3 colors, 2 palettes. The lower lash line color comes from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and then the 2 lid colors come from the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So yeah, that's the only ones I'm going to be using. Then of course I might actually do my full face on camera today since the eye look is simple and easy. No idea. Let's see how this goes. So I dusted all the dust off my face, obviously, and I contoured my nose and my forehead a little bit. I am going to bronze, since I didn't contour the cheeks. To bronze, I'm going to be using this Skin Frost from Jeffree Star, and I am proud of myself. Do you want to know why? It is basically practically gone, and I've been working on this to finish it since, I want to say June. In June, this like you could only see this much in the pan. So since June, I've went from this little circle all the way to here because I use this a lot to bronze that's what we're about to do right now. I'm using this brush that I got here in Korea. It is a Tony Moly brush, so. Then of course to highlight I use, well, to step 1 to my highlighting process would be the Liquid Frost in Goddess, which is almost gonna need to get another one. We're actually almost done with this look. Again, told you it was very easy, very simple. So I have the lower lash line color to do and my highlight. I'm going to do my highlight now. Again, if you have been here, then you've seen this before. If you are new, this is from the brand Cleo Professional, which is a Korean cosmetics brand. And this is their art highlighter, which is why there is a caricature of Audrey Hepburn on here. And this is shade 3 Light Gold. And this is one of my favorite subtle gold highlighters because it's very pretty, very beautiful. But it goes on very subtle, but you can build it up to make it more bam. But because this look is very simple, I'm going to do maybe 2 passes across my cheeks, here, here, here. For lips, it's basically 3 things. A Jeffree Star lip ammunition in Thickest Thieves, but the lip liner is from Etude House, which is a Korean cosmetics store. This is their Play 101 lip pencil in the number 30. Thanks to Brianna, she got this for me for Christmas last year. I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to top it off with a lip gloss from... Oh, that was still on there. Lovely. A lip gloss from Eddie Funkhauser. This is his Definitely Maybe. If you watched my... I think it was Face Chart. The Face Chart Purple Lips. I used Publicity Stunt, but this one is like a pink gloss, but like not super pink. It's really pretty, and I like it. So I'm going to be using these 3 things for my lips. And this is the finished look. I don't think I'm gonna do any baby hair today. I think this looks good. Maybe a little bit. I don't know yet. For right now, I don't feel like I need baby hairs on my face, even though my forehead looks huge. You know, might have to add the baby hairs because I just realized my forehead looks massive. Anyway, this is the finished look and I like it. It came out better than it did on Saturday, actually. Especially the lip. The lip didn't look this good. How do I know that? Because when I was in a taxi on the way to my friend's apartment, I got upset and I took it off. I think on Saturday what happened was I did too much of the lipstick and the gloss and not enough of the liner. Today I did the right amount of each, but you can see the liner more, so it's perfect. And there's not too much gloss. If you look at the picture on Instagram from Saturday, there's a lot of gloss on my lips. My lips look like I just dumped them into a case of Vaseline, a bathtub of olive oil. Don't know, but that's what they look like right now. They look good. This actually looks good. I think I'm gonna try to do more looks like this, where it's not a billion and one color, except for Fridays, of course, because face chart Fridays, you know, gotta use the colors that are in the picture. But for the rest of my non-Fridays, I think, you know, 3 to 4 colors, maybe 2 colors sometimes. It's gonna be here for a while. These lashes are new, and yet they look crazy. I think it's too much mascara or not enough mascara. Not sure. Actually, this one looks good. This one looks a little iffy. Anyway, that is it for this look. I'll see you all next time. Bye.